Welcome to Sustainable Farming Hub. Today, we'll show you how a small space was transformed into a 4-ton per month black soldier fly farm. Plus, we have a free starter checklist in the description. Check it before you start, and a complete A to Z guide to BSF farming. The guide will help you start your own BSF farm. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more innovative farming tips and guides. Every successful farm starts somewhere. In this case, it began in a tiny backyard. Even with limited space, smart planning can produce huge results. For beginners, our starter check shows exactly what you need to begin your farm successfully. Black soldier fly larvae feed on organic waste and convert it into protein-rich biomass, ideal for animal feed. They also produce frass, a natural fertilizer. Our A to Z guide to black soldier fly farming. The guide goes